Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you gotta like, yo, I feel like here you have to be alert. That's what one of the homies said. You have to be alert like 20. I like your dress. Oh. Damn, yo, arguing with a 5-year-old is crazy. Oh, dude, what is that? Go over there, bruv. Bruv. Absolutely, bruv. Dude, we look like we're in a band.
Yeah, damn. We should start a band.
I know. We really could start a band.
Call it.
The bruvs.
9/11 Reloaded.
9/11 Our first album was called
9/11 Reloaded, dude. That's crazy.
Holocaust 2025 remastered album. Is it Israel or is it Palestine? Is it real or is it Palestine? Damn! I'm gonna name that my first album.
That's a good one, bruv.
You know, just to try and pull a girl the other day, I was like, I like Hitler earlier. Don't blackmail me with that when I'm famous.
Shot it.
I think the place should be like this here.
Yeah, I gotta charge up too.
Please say this is so rad.
Yeah.
Say this is so rad.
This is so rad.
Yes.
Manduka corner takeout?
No, Manduka, it's
Okay. Thank you very much.
have
Oh.
a nice day.
Grazie.
Yeah?
Idea is the nice people, the same of us,
Yeah.
eat a good food. One place of good food is this.
Okay, perfect.
You're a nice man.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
England.
U.S.
I have family in Germany and US.
Wow.
But
Yeah.
I never visit England. I'm sorry. I'm not visit your country. I'm sorry.
Okay, now the British Empire will come for you. Like the Armada. Have a good day.
Bro, you just made this dude cry. What the hell, dude?
Like, okay.
What is this stuff?
Like our Spanish is really bad. Is English okay?
English is a little.
Okay.
My English is so bad.
It's okay, I'm English. My English is bad.
This is big.
Okay.
No, please.
In the Gothic Quarter, and we're in some like low-key spot right here. Yo, what's in here? Should we go in here? Let's check this out.
To the right, there's gonna be a cathedral. I don't know.
Let's do it. Yeah, let's go.
You know what's crazy? It's super warm right now, but compared to England, like even though I'm outside, it doesn't feel like too warm.
Yeah.
Really?
It's maybe humidity.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, to me this is super hot.
Yeah, it feels like dry heat. Yeah, but the UK's just had like 4 weeks worth of heat wave. We had like 34
Oh, wow.
degrees. And the UK is built to keep the heat in. We're a cold
Really?
country, yeah. Yeah, I live in the north of England, so all the houses are built for winter to keep the heat in. They're all old houses as well. My house was built around the time that your country was formed.
Dude's disrespected.
It's just true.
I know.
Back then, you know, there was no electricity, so they got to keep all the heat.
Yeah, yeah. You guys are doing like the candle. You guys are doing the whole candle thing. Oh yeah. Fucking Boston Tea Party.
Boston Tea Party. What a crazy pull.
What crazy pull. Oh, shit.
Well,
Beautiful.
At least we didn't ban alcohol.
Facts.
Didn't
Yeah.
work though.
No, it doesn't. It never does. Damn, agua, 50 cents? Damn, I went to the wrong supermarket, yo. They said 50 cents for a water is crazy.
That is actually really good.
No gracias.
No,
No, gracias.
We already have.
This is the way, or is that? Yeah,
No, we have to go one.
I wouldn't even go to London.
Yeah, if you're gonna go to UK, go up to like Scotland, see Edinburgh,
Scotland.
see Wales. Wales is
Yeah,
beautiful.
Wales.
And the Isle of Skye.
Yeah.
the island above Scotland.
Yeah, bro.
But it's on the west.
Shit's
I
sick.
live in the northeast. So.
Ah.
Damn, this looks crazy. I think there's like that way there's a plaza.
We good.
Damn.
You guys both come from countries where you can't shave. In England, you just cross.
I mean, you can. Well, yeah, you really can't. You're not supposed to, but you do it anyways.
Yeah, there's no such thing in our country.
That makes sense. We're about to start boxing. About to start a boxing match.
How are we doing? Is that filming right now?
Yeah.
You do like YouTube or something?
Yeah.
How many followers do you have?
Oh my god, everyone want to know about the followers, but they don't want to know about the guy behind the camera.
Los Angeles.
Oh, Los Angeles? Okay. Yeah, I know San Diego. San Diego is my top pick.
But you can smoke inside.
Outside,
It's not
and
legal.
there's
It's not
like
legal
if you just look out for like less people, then
How's
you're
it legal?
fine.
Because this is the early stages. So they decriminalised it a few years ago, and then they legalised it. It's the same process as like
Yeah.
Germany and.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's chatting, yo. Gotta get it.
In fact, you know what? This is information. So So everybody, you want to come to Amsterdam? You want to go to Las Ramblas? I think that's what you call it. Not. I'll do the senorita accent. Las Ramblas, right? And you want to get weed? Yeah, that's all I gotta say. That's it. But yeah,
That's all you got.
Casual. You paying USD? I think they take USD. I will find her.
I'm just kidding. But
Chat later, yeah? Oh shit. What's going on here? You almost kissed that. I don't know, dude. Well, I really don't know. I was
I think
like,
that's the closest to homosexuality.
yeah, you almost, dude, almost kissed. You almost kissed the dude, bro.
Like, her face was like that.
Dude, he wasn't even mad. He winked.
He
Dude, he winked.
Bro, he liked a bit of ginger. Maybe
Dude, holy shit, dude. That
only
was.
guys like ginger. It's fun.
Okay, Moritz gonna come to us. Moritz gonna join us in 7 minutes.
Who?
Okay,
Moritz. Long hair.
Oh yeah, Mo Goods.
Yeah,
Deutsche.
Whatever, dude. Mo. I'm gonna call him Momo.
Whatever.
Yo, your name is Gohan. You got Momo.
Your accent's perfect. That's exactly how I imagine everything that I need.
Yeah, good. I'm happy I can fulfill your American dream.
We're gonna go to Elborn.
This is the best way to meet girls, just walking around.
It is, you know.
I
Also,
think it's
feel like
better
when you're in
than
a club, like
yeah, it's just too much pressure.
yeah, and
Yeah, we do better. I think.
Scared, but
You're
oh yeah,
scared?
don't get me wrong. Yeah.
I'm not. Nah,
I'm more scared of English women.
Yeah. What girl makes you most nervous to talk to? That's.
Girls where I live.
Okay.
If I go on a night out in Leeds, because I don't actually live in Leeds, I live in the countryside.
Okay.
I have Riz, but when I go out in like my local town, it's like I have friend zone. Like I don't get friend zone. I don't
You
even
feel pressure. I feel
Yeah,
like you
I
feel a lot of pressure.
don't even flirt, man. I just don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to be like that. I actually feel like
My
that in
ex was
Connecticut.
local,
I feel like pressure in Connecticut because I feel like everybody knows everybody. So it's like if you make a mistake, everyone's gonna know. Wow, that's crazy.
6 months. 6 months.
Who's just old enough to drink?
Yeah, 18 in the UK though.
Of
We
course,
started
of
drinking at
course.
like fucking 14.
Fucking Europe really knows what's good. It really knows the fucking stuff.
You'll get there. You'll get there. The problem is you just don't have enough. You don't have enough history of the law to change.
Yeah.
It's still moderately like.
Yeah.
And also, we could drink at like much lower ages, but we're slowly going up.
What's what is this shit over there on the ground? There's like a lot of stuff on the ground. I wonder.
some kind of protest, I guess.
What do you mean? Like,
Let's go take a look. Let's have a look, yeah? Let's see what it is.
I can speak German. Like
Yo, I'll be honest, I can't read a single word.
I can't speak Spanish.
The Spanish dialect here is difficult. Does that have to do with like boobs though? Like maybe like bresso? Bresso? I don't know, but yeah, this seems to be like some kind of like protest or something. Yo, whoa, this guy is all over the place. This dude's just going everywhere. Yeah, so talking to England to a girl, like you go like, hey, like I like your fit. Is that a fire first line?
You take the piss out.
What?
You bully him.
Bully him?
Yeah, every time.
Then that shit's ugly.
Let's walk slow so Moritz can catch up.
Yeah, that's what banter is.
Damn, I want to say something to her, honestly.
I'm not surprised. Fucking hell. Look at the blonde and look at the one ahead.
I like the one in the front, honestly.
I like the milf in the back. Cut this out.
We could stop them all. Like, yo, hey, this is a part of the protest. We need to know your name and your number and your email.
Yes.
Oh, England, nice. Nice lovely here, man. How long are you here?
We got another ginger.
Oh, fuck, I'm here Sunday.
So yeah, We made it to the beach. It's actually going to be my first beach day since I've been here. Yep. Beach time.
The red ensign flag at the back of it.
Oh shit, look at that.
It's a private British yacht.
Damn.
They worth like roughly, I don't know, 15 to 20 mil. Insane. Sorry, yeah. Look at the yachts. So this one over here is actually mine. I'm just kidding.
Yo, so I've been to a lot of places. They're not nice.
approachable.
They're not approachable. I'm gonna be honest, yo. Like New York is easier to talk to girls.
It's crazy because you think in a busy city like New York it'd be
Yeah.
harder. And it's the same for well, for girls specifically, I wouldn't say London's any better.
Yeah, what about London? How's London? London's
For
way
girls,
more difficult.
It's very difficult, yeah.
Yeah.
In the north I find it easier, but I feel like people in London, they stick to their circles. It's hard to
Yeah.
meet new people.
Yeah.
And everyone's very busy. They
Yeah.
don't have time for you.
No, I don't have no time. Yeah, they definitely don't have time here either.
We just need to find some non-Spanish women, tourists.
Tourists.
We can't meet a senorita in a club because we can't speak Spanish. And you
I
can't
know
hear what
that's
they're saying.
not true, bro. That's not
You
true.
can speak Spanish.
I mean, I can speak a little bit, but the whole thing is,
They can't hear you. They're like, oh, what did you say?
you
Like,
could
"Can speak
translate.
Spanish?"
Nah, you just translate, bro.
In a club, you get your phone out and translate.
Nah, I've done it.
You have?
Yes, I did it in Medellin.
For you, fair play. I don't believe this will work.
It could work. If you believe it can work, it can work.
Can't manifest this shit.
I've seen some like not good-looking dudes with pretty hot girls.
It's the confidence, man. It's the confidence and the humor.
Yeah,
Bro, I don't consider myself good looking, but I've had very hot girls.
yeah, you could
It's
do it,
all about
bro.
the confidence, and that's all
You
it is.
could
You gotta be able
definitely
to
do it.
chat, that's it.
You gotta be able to chat them up.
But I don't know, the problem is I don't know what to talk about with Spanish girls. I don't know them, I don't know the culture.
Yeah,
That's why I think with Americans it's a bit easier because you speak in English. So you can,
I mean, it's just asking questions a lot of the time. Yeah, you just gotta ask questions.
you've got to show you're like, interested in what they're interested in.
So like, what's your favorite reggaeton song? Like shit like that. Like I don't know.
And then you tell me shit, man.
Damn, yo, I went to San Juan and I was at this place in Old San Juan and Bad Bunny showed up, and yeah, just the crowded streets. You seen any Bad Bunny concerts? Shit like that, like you know what I mean?
Yeah. So you got to judge what they listen to and then ask them about that specifically.
Some good stuff. Local street artists. Yeah, some good stuff.
Thank you.
Muy bueno. Wow. Very cool. The fucking lads, they're walking for hours. Fucking exhausted. I think I'm gonna take a break. I think it's time to take a moment